My client Amanda came in to play hair roulette with both me and my sister collabing on her hair. This was her pride hair, so her only color scheme choice was a full rainbow, but we both thought of an interesting way to apply the rainbow, and she chose mine. We were so obsessed with both of our choices, though, that you'll probably see the second choice coming up soon in one of our videos. The last time we did her hair, we did a spotlight color, so the middle of her hair is lighter than the rest. We applied the double process with foils in between to make sure that everything was lifting evenly. Once we removed the foils, we then also mixed up some color remover and applied it over the ends. We knew we would be cutting off a good amount, so we didn't worry too much about saturating the ends perfectly. Her hair kept a pretty intense blue pigment, but we knew that we'd be able to mostly color it, and since we were doing all rainbow, it would all blend together and be beautiful anyway. It's more important that we don't over-process the hair rather than trying to get it white. I then perfected the haircut after cutting off a big chunk to start off. We applied the rainbows on the right side going vertical, and on the left side they were going horizontal. It was so much fun to apply. Me and my sister really love collabing and learning techniques from each other as we go. The color came out so beautiful and so vibrant. We were really happy with how this technique came out. Amanda was so surprised and so in love with the colors and so happy to have pride hair.